So today we are going to start the first chapter of class 12, relation and function. Before starting the relation, let us recap the few topics of class 11. First topic is ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Ordered pair is a pair of object whose component is written in a specific order. Means ordered pair can be written by listing the two components in a specific order, which is separated by comma and including the pair in parenthesis, means bracket. It means ordered pair can be written as of two component. Pair means the two component means, let us take A and B, which is separated by comma, and this pair is enclosed by the parenthesis, that is the small bracket. Means this is known as the ordered pair. Such type of pair is known as the ordered pair. Ordered pair is always enclosed by the small bracket. Few examples are 4 3, 7 3, etc. and 2 2, 7 7. It is also a ordered pair in which the first element and the second element of the ordered pair may have the same, and this is known as the A is known as the first element and B is known as the second element. A is known as the first element. Okay. Now comes to the Cartesian product. What is the Cartesian product? Cartesian product can be denoted by A cross B, and it reads as A cross B. Let's take two set. Let A is a set, that is 1 3 5 7, and B is the another set 2 3. Now we have to find out the A cross B, which is known as the Cartesian product. A cross B is equal to, हम पहले सेट के हर एलिमेंट को सेट बी के हर एलिमेंट से पेयर बना के लिखते हैं. मतलब 1 का एक बार 2 के साथ पेयर बना के लिखेंगे, एक बार 3 के साथ लिखेंगे, फिर 3 का एक बार 2 के साथ, फिर एक बार 3 के साथ. ऐसे ही सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट ऑल द एलिमेंट विद द बी सेट. 5 2 5 3 7 2 and 7 3. This is known as the Cartesian product. Now we can also find out the B cross A. What is the B cross A? Then the first set is B and the second set is A. Now we can write it 2 1 2 3 2 5 2 7 3 1 3 3 3 5 3 7. What we see here, that is A cross B is never equal to B cross A. In this way we can also find out A cross A, B cross B. Now how we will find out the number of elements in set A cross B, that is A and number of element A cross B. The formula is A cross B is equal to Na into number of element in set B. This is the formula for find out the number of element in set A cross B. Let us take an example. Let us set A is 1 3 and B the set is 1 4. Then here number of element in set A is 2 and number of element in set B is 2. Therefore n cross number of element in set A cross B is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. You can also find out by finding out the Cartesian product. First find out the Cartesian product of A cross B, that is A cross B. What is the Cartesian product of A cross B? 1 1 1 3 4 1 4 3. From here if we count all the elements in set A, that is 1 2 3 4. Therefore number of element in set A cross B is 4. Now sorry, my mistake is here, that is 1 4 4 1 and 4 3. There is one mistake, that is A cross B is A cross B is 1 1 1 4 3 1 3 4. जो भी सेट पहले रहेगा उसका एलिमेंट हम पहले लिखेंगे. दैट इज हियर इफ वी काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट A क्रॉस B 1 1 1 2 3 4. दैट इज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन A क्रॉस B इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ कम्स टू द relation. What is relation? First thing, relation is denoted by R. The relation is the subset of A cross B. And what is A cross B? A cross B is a Cartesian product. A cross B is a Cartesian product, and A and B is the two non-empty set. Two non-empty set means A set and B set has at least one element. Means A और B में कम से कम एक element होना चाहिए, वो empty set नहीं होना चाहिए. Also relation can be defined on A cross A. Means relation को हम A to A भी define कर सकते हैं. इसका मतलब R is the subset of A cross A. That is A cross A. When we write R is a subset of A cross B, then relation is written as xy such that relation can be defined as xy. Xy is the ordered pair where x belongs to the set A and y belongs to the set B and x related to y. R क्या है? R वो कंडीशन है जो एक्स वाई को क्या करता है, आपस में जोड़ता है. जोड़ने का मतलब इनके बीच क्या रिलेशन है वो ये डिफाइन करता है. इफ़ अगर यही R इज सबसेट ऑफ A क्रॉस A हो, मीन्स A पे डिफाइन हो, A टू A पे डिफाइन हो, तब हमारा जो रिलेशन बनेगा एक्स वाई सच दैट एक्स एंड वाई बिलोंग्स टू A and x related y.